Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your body measurement information to the BodyFast intermittent fasting application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then click on the Me button down below, which is the second option, and click on Plan History at the top of the screen. That's the third category. And then click on the Settings button in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on Personal Data. Scroll down to the Body Measurement section, and here you can add your hip size by tapping on it, then select the relevant measurement, then click on your waist size, then set it, as well as your upper arm size, thigh and chest size. So set all of these information, clicking on the OK button, and then the new entry will be added. So here you can see that all of these information has been added. Feel free to change it anytime by coming back to this section, tapping on the relevant one and then changing it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.